Hey everyone, Ali here. Welcome to my channel Solid Trades, where I share top quality info on day trading, swing trading, technical analysis, and trading psychology from my 6 years of trading experience. Now, it took me roughly 3 years to become consistently profitable, so I know the struggle, and that's why I made this channel to share and transfer my proven and tested strategies, knowledge to you so you can become a better trader. Now, if you find this video resourceful and want me to continue making these videos, let me know in the comment below. It really motivates me to make more videos and better videos. So today's topic is actually NIO. I'm going to be talking about, I think that NIO could have a potential bounce of over 100%. And I'm going to talk about the exact level where I'm going to be thinking of buying and where I'm going to be thinking of selling. So the reason why I'm talking about NIO is because now pretty much all the stocks are getting crashed except Apple, right? And this is one of the best times to look for great opportunities and great bounces. Some stocks are just going to take forever to recover. Some stocks are going to recover quicker depending on what industry they are. And that's why I really like NIO at this moment. And the reason why is because it's an EV stock. It's eventually next 5 years, EV is going to be huge. Okay. So I know people are looking to buy. There are buyers. That being said, NIO has been actually completely decimated right here. It's just been from 70 bucks all the way to 9 bucks right now. Okay, and hit the low of about 8 bucks or something. However, it's coming into this really nice demand zone, and that's what I'm going to be looking to buy around this area. Look here, right here. This is the area where it broke out from. So this area is a demand zone around $5, $4.47, $5, $5 to $6 area. And I'm looking to buy when it comes down to this area. Okay, right here, because that's the demand zone. I think that we're going to see at least 100% move up. So let's just 5 to 10 bucks, it's a 100% move. Okay, so now let me just talk about why I think and what kind of action I'm looking for. Right here, let me just give you another example that I took with a similar setup was LI right here. Actually, LI right here. Notice here how this was the area around this area right here where the stock went massive, about $18, and then it just went all the way to what, 47. That's like about what, 200% move, right? And then what happened? A lot of people chase here. Now I used to be the person when it comes down, I'm like, okay, let me buy the dip, and it would just keep crashing, and it would just be so painful to hold. And then when I realized that it comes back down to the same area where it broke out from. So notice here, I caught this trade around this area. That was a while ago, and got a 100% move. And I even alerted it in my chat room, which is free, by the way. Whenever I see a good setup, I just alert there. I just send a chart and say, hey guys, I'm seeing something good here, and I just alert it. But right here I bought. Now, what really triggered was this candle. You see here, this is a hammer candle. What that means is that right here, I'm gonna zoom it down further. Notice here this hammer candle. Once you see the hammer candle, what that means is stock came down and buyers bought it up. Stock came down and buyers just bought it up right away. And then look, huge move. And then once you see a reverse hammer candle, which means that sellers brought it down when the stock went up and the sellers brought it down. Similar thing right here, this hammer candle right here. This is a reverse hammer candle. It's called a reverse hammer. What that means is that the stock went up and then the sellers were super aggressive. They bought it down. Similar thing, if you start to see on the support area, you see this hammer right here. It means the buyers are trying to step up right here around this area, which is the same area. That being said, let's go back into NIO. Let me actually give you another example right here. XPEV right here. This was exact to the dot. Notice here, this is the area where it broke out right here, the breakout area, which is about $23. It broke out, boom, right? Look, where did it come down to? Exact to the penny. Now, I don't know if that's going to happen with NIO as well, but you see the point. So that's where you look to buy. So that's what I'm going to be looking to buy, looking for a very similar setup. And notice here, it went from here all the way to the top. It went up over 130%. So you can literally buy the dip. And that's how the way you buy the dip is you find out where it broke off from. So that being said, this chart similar in mind, we're now again coming up a similar setup. Now notice here, this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. This happened like one time or two time if you want to get here as well. That's it, right? So this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. So that's why I thought I want to make a video, and hopefully it works, and hopefully you make money if you get in. But I want to give you a complete information so that you can make your own decision, because anything could happen. The only thing I don't like about NIO is that it's still not profitable, right? And it's a tiny stock, so they crushed Baba, right? And with the all the things with the going on with the U.S. and China government, with the delisting of stocks, it's kind of a risky. So that's one of the things that I really don't like. But I'm not going to be looking forever to hold. However, I think that as long as there's no political interventions, we could see a really nice bounce, like to the 30 to 40 bucks. But I'm not looking for that. I'm just looking for 100 to 150% gain on this. So that being said, same thing happening here. NIO right here is going to come down. It's coming down. That's where it broke off from, right? So it's coming back down to the same area. So I'm going to be looking to buy around this $4 area, okay? And if it does go down, I'm not going to go in 100% size. So I'm probably going to buy around like 1,000 shares of it. So I'm going to buy like, 200, another 300 right here. And once I start to see the hammer candle like this, then I'm going to hammer another 600 shares, because that's what I think. And then I'm going to put a stop loss below it. Okay. So that's what I have to see the action here, where I'm going to start nibbling it right around this area, because this is the area, because sometimes it happens really, really quick, right? So look for this area, and then look for like $4, $7, $8, $9, $10 move. So that's 100%. Okay. So if you have like 1,000 shares, that's going to be like 4 or 5 grand on it. And then maybe what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably, if it works according to my plan, I'm going to sell 800 shares, and then I let the 200 run and see, maybe if I get another 10 bucks, maybe there's a good EV news or something, and I see a nice run. But it's going to be a momentum trade. I'm not going to hold forever. I'm not looking for investment, because it's still a tiny stock. I would rather, be more in American stocks for EV sector. So yeah, that's it, guys. Hope you guys learned something, and look for NIO to come down right here, right, guys? And let me in the comment below if you agree with it, and what your thoughts on it. Take care. Bye.